Good morning, Michael A. Caustic. Today is Friday, October 28th. This is Miss Fletcher. Announcements for today are remember to bring in those donation items, including coats, pants, hats, mittens, boots, toques, and scarves for our winter clothing drive. There will be a thriller practice at 11:30 today for both, listen carefully, 15, 16, and P22 and P23. Monday is Halloween. I want everybody to remember our group plan at Michael A. Caustic. We choose costumes that are appropriate, that we can learn in all day. And there'll be no changing at lunch. So think really carefully about your choices. And reminder for parents that can't attend the Halloween assembly, there's a link posted on School Zone for a live stream. And you can remind your parents to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Today was our last day for Dance Friday in 2022, as the gym will be used for different activities in the morning. So stay tuned for a new Dance Friday startup date. Happy birthday to, we don't have any birthdays today. However, on the 30th, happy birthday to Gracelyn in room 12. All right. What is a skeleton's favorite instrument? A trombone. All right, everybody, have a safe weekend. Have fun.